Hi guys, welcome again to all of you in new video with some good and stunning gadgets. These all gadgets are look fabulous. You can buy all these gadgets from Amazon and other online stores. All these gadgets are budget friendly. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and also like the video. Let's start the video without any delay. Chain Gear Fidget. Let's guys start with Chain Gear Fidget Spinner. This cool mechanical chain fidget gadget. Friends, this is a spinner who is made from high quality stainless steel and comes with stable bearings. The advantage of stable bearing is, friends, when you rotate it, it produces an aesthetic mechanical chain sound. It's simple, discreet and fun. Along with this, it is also for focus and deep thought. It is very effective for people which are in mental stress. It can be awesome gift for your friends and colleagues. USB cooler fan. There is too much hot going on, so let's take a look now. A gadget that everyone should have in summer. All need is a tube cooler fan. It is portable, very light, and most the good thing is that it is USB operated. No need for electric board. Its cost is also the same as a large normal cooler. Its price is much lower than the big norm fan. Let me tell you further, you can do it on your table. Place it on your desk or literally wherever you want. You can do this not only inside the house but also outsides, can also be taken outdoors. If you want, it can be run with just a mobile power bank. Yes, just plug in the cable and it's on. It will go and its fan is rotatable. RC Fighter Jet. Let's have a look. This fighter jet who is a beginner's best choice for just one button press, and by doing this you can take off or land this drone. You can perform more cool stunt roles. Even kids can do this without any problem, and beginners will also be able to enjoy it easily. The features of its remote are also quite similar. Amazing high and low speed mode, intelligent attitude, hold and emergency stop. All these features are available for beginners. And it is very easy to fly for kids. This jet can also gesture control features, smoke out from its tail with different colors, give aesthetic view. Its dazzling light which give awesome view at night. This drone jet in multiple colors, you choose which you like the most. Peak magnetic push slider. Guys, this is awesome magnetic push slider. This looks stunning when it keep place on your desk and table. It has push button and move up down due to magnetic is center in it. You can move in 360 position easily. Its bearings are smooth run up and long-lasting rotation. You can move this fidget spinner on both ends. It enhances the beauty of the place where it keep. It gives you a mental relief and deep thought. Friends, this is not just for adults, it is perfect for children too. This magnetic push slider can a good gift for your special one. Pyramid fidget spinner. Well guy, lots of fidgets in today's video. There are going to be cool fidget gadgets in every, comes with very unique features in itself, and this is one such unique fidget gadget. Pyramid fidget spinner is based on the mystery of Egyptian culture pyramids. When you spin it, it rotates in such a satisfying way. If you want, you can have it on your desk. You can also keep on any other desk also. The ways of fidgeting are endless. Friends, this is not just for children, it is perfect for adults too. Its silent and premium spinning will always give an aesthetic feel. Buy it for a kid or for yourself. This cool pyramid dusk spinner will definitely make your workday more entertaining and tension-free. Rugged sports watch. Guys, this amazing rugged watch for outdoor with lot of features. High hardness, scratch and wear resistance, bright and transparent. Its design is so unique, versatile and make your wrist stand out. Its silicone-made straps comfortably fit on your wrist. This watch glow in night vision and give stunning view in dark. The hollow shape, which is integrated with the inner mechanical art, can see the beating of the machine, which look awesome and fabulous when it wear on wrist. The watch has undergone high and strict waterproof testing. Daily hand washing, rain, and swimming will not affect the use of the watch. It is made of diamond knife craft and crystal lid glass. This watch in multiple color schemes, you choose your favorite one. This watch is one of the best gift for your friends on different occasions. Squishy cube. Let's talk after that. Brother Neato nice cube if you are stressed a lot and take too much tension. This fidget toys are very effective. By squeezing it, you can completely relieving stress. You can feel its squishy sensation when you slowly touch, it will feel soft, and when you swipe fast, it will feel firm, and the most important thing is that, no matter how hard you press, it comes back in its original shape. If you are at home, in school, or outside, at work, it can be useful everywhere. These are the squishy fidget gadgets. This satisfying stress cube comes in 3 colors, including purple, pink and blue, creating a snazzy ice cube effect, ideal for on-the-go fidget toy fun or as an anxiety reliever. It can be ever best gift for stressful persons. Magnetic slider fidget spinner. Friends, magnetic sliders are quite popular these days. And in this series, this magnetic slider in very ultra small size. This is made with durable metal. Whether you are a student or an office worker, you may be under study or work stress, which over time can lead to negative emotions such as depression, hyperactivity, mania, and depression. This is best to kill such emotions. It is stable structure, fabulous appearance design, high-quality materials, and better hand feeling. The surface treatment is smooth and delicate, and the hand feels more comfortable. This is portable, so you carry it with you in office and enjoy your free time and get entertainment. Each piece is handmade, feels good, and is suitable for your fidget spinner collection. You can play as much as you want. It can be a brilliant gift for your friend. Stainless steel Maya fidget spinner. This amazing spinner is steel bearing. The spinner is now ultra durable and made of stainless steel. It's metal that kills boredom completely. Compared to plastic spinners, this steel spinner life is too much. Remains durable, even if it falls it will not break at all. This is a good stress reliever fidget gadget. And yes, it sounds like other spinners, doesn't mean any aesthetic at all. Doesn't even produce sound, it's super silent. Sound is negligible and budget friendly. This fidget spinner is corrosion and rust free. It is made of high quality steel. This fidget spinner must in your fidget collection. You can give this fidget spinner as gift to your friend. Mini budget drone. This is cool feature loaded mini drone. This drone comes in ultra mini size, but don't get confused at all, because the feature, it's absolutely next generation. It's so small, it happens that you put it in its remote box. This really means you can store and carry easily. You can control both the drone and the remote simultaneously. You will easily be able to carry it with you. Propeller arms are foldable. Its size becomes very small, but yes, there is one thing that I don't like a little bit about it. The only drawback is that it does not have a propeller guard. Yes, it is provided with a camera, so you shoot all these photos and aerial videos. You can create content. There is no problem if we talk about stunts. Can do 360 flips. You can download it directly from your smartphone. You can also control it with one key technology. This drone camera is budget friendly. You can easily buy this mini drone camera with multiple features available on Amazon. Now it's your turn. If you not like the video, like it. One important thing, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon, you will get notification of the new video. Share this video to your friends who love to watching and buying gadgets. Also tell me in comment which gadget do you like the most. Let's meet with another video with some cool gadgets. Take care and bye.